Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning for the MBA in the year 2025, then the MBA entrance examination season is on. So there are so many MBA entrance examinations as well as the top B schools forms are out. So it is quite confusing that which college should we select, which MBA entrance examination form should we fill up. So with this video we are going to discuss about all the important MBA entrance examination whose score is accepted in the colleges in the India. At the same time we are going to discuss about the top B schools whose examination forms are open now, or the top colleges whose examination form you should fill up after the examination or before the examination. That everything we are going to discuss with this single video. So coming to the very first entrance examination is CAT, Common Admission Test. So it is the most important MBA entrance examination if you want to complete your MBA in the regular mode. So if we consider the CAT entrance examination, the registration has already been opened and the window has already been closed. So almost there are all the colleges except the score of the CAT entrance examination for the admission process. All the IIMs, IITs, if you want to complete your MBA, they accept the score of the CAT entrance examination. At the same time, private colleges, public colleges accept the score of the CAT entrance examination for the admission process. So if we consider the overall registration fees with the CAT, it is nearly up to 2,500, and this year the CAT entrance examination is going to be conducted on 24th November 2024. So CAT entrance examination is always going to be conducted on the 4th Sunday of the November. This year it will be on 24th November 2024. So if we consider the top colleges who accept the score of the CAT entrance examination, then there are almost all the IIMs, private colleges and the public colleges. Now coming to the next MBA entrance examination is that. So the registration fees for that is nearly up to 2,200. The examination date will be 5th January 2025, and the top institutes like Accelerate, XIMB, IMT and GIM accept the score of the ZAT entrance examination for the admission process. Now coming to the next MBA entrance examination is SNAP. The registration fees for the SNAP is nearly up to 2,250 rupees per attempt. So 3 attempts are allowed maximum. If we consider the examination date, it will be on 8th, 15th, 21st December 2024. And if we consider SIBM, SCMHRD and there are more than 15 other Symbiosis institutes who accept the score of the SNAP entrance examination for the admission process. Next MBA entrance examination is UNMAT. The registration fees for the UNMAT is nearly up to 2,800 rupees. The examination date will be 5th November to 28th December 2024. And the colleges like NMIMS, KG Somaiya, SPJMR accept the score of the UNMAT entrance examination for the admission process. Then coming to the next entrance examination is CMAT. The registration fees for the CMAT is 2,000 for the general male and 1,000 rupees for the female and reserve category candidates. If we consider the examination date, then it will be in the 3rd week of the May. Then if we consider, there are the colleges like JBIMS, KG Somaiya, then Goa Institute of Management accept the score of the CMAT entrance examination for the admission process. Next exam is IBSAT. The registration fees for that is nearly up to 1,800. The examination date will be 28 to 29 December 2024. And there are all the IBS institutes except the score of the IBSAT entrance examination for the admission process. Next entrance examination is MAT. So the registration fees is nearly up to 2,100 rupees for the single and 3,600 rupees for the dual program. If we consider the examination date, it will be 17 December to 22nd December 2024. And there are the colleges like Amity Business School, Christ University, BIMTech Noida accept the score of the MAT entrance examination for the admission process. Now coming to the list of the top B schools which you can apply. So coming to the IIMs, so for all the IIMs, whenever you are filling the form of the CAT entrance examination, at that time only you need to select the list of all the IIMs. Only there are 3 to 4 IIMs which you need to apply separately. Like Indian Institute of Management Amritsar, Visakhapatnam and IIM Rohtak. And there is one more IIM, for that you need to fill up the form separately. But for the remaining IIM, whenever you are filling the form for the CAT entrance examination, at that time only you need to fill up the form for all the IIMs. And on that basis only you will receive the call from all the IIMs. Now coming to the list of the IITs. So IITs also accept the score of the CAT entrance examination for the MBA program. So the forms will be open in the month of December after your CAT entrance examination. At that time you need to fill up the form of all the IITs separately if you want to get eligible in the admission process for the IITs. Then next college is FMS, Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi. So for the FMS also, the forms will be open in the month of the December and January after your CAT entrance examination. At that time only you need to fill up the form for the FMS, Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi. So this is the best college in terms of return on investment. If you want to complete your MBA in the list fees but with a good return on investment, this is the best option you can consider with. Then coming to the next college is SPJ in Mumbai. So this is the another good option you can have a look on. The application forms has already been out on the SPJ. I have already published a separate video. You can check with that. The application forms has already been opened. The last date is closing soon. Same with the MDI Gurgaon. The applications forms are out. You can fill up the application forms for the MDI Gurgaon. Then Great Lakes Institute of Management Chennai forms are also out. You can fill up that also. Then next option is GIM Goa. The forms for the GIM Goa has already been out. You can check with the GIM Goa also. Then next is IMT. So IMT has 3 campuses in the Nagpur, Hyderabad and Ghaziabad. So the forms for all the 3 campuses are open. You can check with the details for the IMT also. The applications form for IMT has already been out. Then next is IMI Delhi. So the application forms for the IMI Delhi are already out. You can check with the IMI Delhi also. Then next option is KJ Somaiya Mumbai. So the application forms for the KJ Somaiya Mumbai are also out. The last date of application will be 20th January 2025. So these are some options whose forms are out as of now. You can check with the details. In between, if you have any doubts, any queries, you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.